Ebeneezer, oh, Ebeneezer, Ebeneezer, oh, Ebeneezer, my stone of help, only you are my helper. Ebeneezer, oh, Ebeneezer, Ebeneezer, oh, Ebeneezer, my son of help, only you are my helper. When I call, you answer me. When I'm down, you lift me up. My son of help, only you are my helper. Oh, oh, Ebeneezer, hey, oh, Ebeneezer, my son of help, only you are my helper. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, regarding where you are at the moment. I'm still your brother, Prince Mike C. Phillips, aka Ngozi Chukwu. This morning, I want us to talk about Christianity and the real way of worshiping God in our society. I want to talk to Africans. We Africans, I want you to learn one or two things from this my little advice. Listen, God is good to worship. God is good to serve. Prayer is good. But I want you to know that all those miracle, lazy people look for are not the way of worshiping God. It's not what God wants in you. You cannot sit at a place and expect God to do miracle. You need to work. Sunday is meant for you to worship God as a Christian. The Sabbatarians worship on Saturdays. The Muslims worship on Fridays. Don't use the time you need to work and go and sit down in the church doing fire. Expecting if you come out, God will now use somebody's sweat. The person that has been hustling, working from morning till evening, he now use his money and bless you. Are you not a criminal? If you are thinking like that, you are a rogue. You are a gold digger. You will be in the church 7 o'clock in the morning on Monday till 12 o'clock. You will go to your business place, look around and look for who to blame, and call the people that are bewitching you, and go back to church by 4 o'clock. How many hours did you have to hustle for customers or to work? In the night that you will sleep, you will go to church and stay and do vigil till the next morning. When you wake up, when you come out in the morning, you go to your working office, or to your working place, or to your shop, or anyway, go there and start dozing, sleeping off. How will you now attend to customers?